lost, the higher your hopes will be, the better will be.
Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. We're cooking with Chef Puff. We bring you the good stuff. All right, welcome back. We're on a camping adventure at Camp K in Delaware. All right, tomorrow we're doing whitewater rafting tomorrow. And we have a lot of people here, and I'm going to show you the campground. All right, because we have both sides full with tents. And I'm going to give you a walkthrough of my tent, and I shall return. I'll be right back. All right, I'm going to give you the walkthrough of my tent and what it looks like. All right, this is the cooking area here with the Blackstone, of course. We'll be doing some cooking here. All right, Blackstone, I got all my equipment here. All right, got a little smoker going on to keep the mosquitoes away. But let me give you a walk through the tent here. Gotta take my shoes off. Okay. There we go here. That's our table here. We got snacks down there. There's the bodega freezer / refrigerator. Okay, she's full. All right, and it seems like the power is not on. And we have to find out why. All right. So let me troubleshoot this problem, and I'll be right back. Back with Cooking with Chef Puff. We always bring you the good stuff. All right, today we're at Camp K. We're on a slight little camping adventure. And today, right now, I'm cooking breakfast here. We got some bacon going on here. All right, we have a large group of people, like I think it's like, quote me, 26 people. All right, and let me take this bacon off here. And I'm going to be doing some scrambled eggs with cheese, and also I have some steak that I had smoked last night with some hickory smoked chips. All right, so let me start get these eggs going, and I shall be right back. Okay, right now I'm going to be doing the scrambled eggs. I got to do a lot of scrambled eggs today, this morning at Camp C. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to keep adding eggs to it. All right, like I said, it's a large group of like 26 people, men, women, and children. All right. And I'm going to also add some sliced cheeses to it. All right, give me some more eggs in here. There we go. Just don't want it to run down the drain. And I'll let these eggs set up. Make sure to fire it up. There they go. Yep, setting up lovely. All right. So after I get all these eggs done, I'm going to, add the cheese to it. All right, so once I get all the eggs all cooked and everything else, I shall return. Welcome back, everybody. Okay, right now we got the eggs going on. There's plenty of eggs here. All right, so, and I'm almost done with them right now. And it's just a lot of people. It's a lot of people. All right, I just do the cheese into the eggs here. All right, put my little thing back. It's all cheesed up. I might need some more cheese. I might need a little bit more cheese. All right, so I got a lot of people walking up right now, and it's almost done. It's definitely almost done. All right, so once I finish up these eggs, I'm gonna add a little bit more cheese to them. I'll be right back. Welcome back, everybody. Okay, what I did now, I put the steaks on that I did cook last night, but we didn't need them last night. So they came out perfect, 170 degrees. Everybody likes it well done. All right, so what I'm doing now, I'm just steaming them. And if anybody doesn't know what I mean by steaming, oops, wrong bottle. This is all I'm doing. All right, I'm just steaming them so they taste like they just came off the griddle. All right, so when these are done, I shall return. All right, everybody. All right, the breakfast has finished up at camp, K Camp. I'm going to get it wrong. K Camp C? K Camp K. All right, breakfast came out wonderful. The pancakes, the bacon. I also do the steak. And what else did I do? Pancakes, bacon, steak, and eggs, cheese eggs. Everything is gone. It's gone. All right. So, y'all guys subscribe, ring the bell, give me thumbs up. I would appreciate it, especially with family members. All right. They say they don't have time to look at videos, but that's okay. That's okay. But like I said, I would appreciate your support, and that's what it's all about, support. And we're going to move on to the next video, and I'll see y'all guys very shortly. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back for Cooking with Chef Pup. We definitely bring you the good stuff. All right, we're at Camp K. We're still here. We got one more day left. Okay. I already made the breakfast video, and today for lunch we're going to be doing pork chops. All right, and basically I'm going to be seasoning them with Pork Perfect. The go-to seasoning, which is very delicious. You can put this on anything. All right, so but what I like to do now, I already started some here, but I like to do a checkerboard pattern on the pork chop, and I'll show you exactly what I mean and why I do it. Just thin slices, not all the way through. And you'll understand why I do it. Then I'll turn it, and then I'll just give the nice good cuts here. And I'm going to do this on both sides. All right, so these are going to be delicious. I am actually going to smoke them with hickory wood at 145 degrees. All right, so, and that's all it takes. And as you can see, I opened up slightly, so I'm going to season them with the Pork Perfect, and the seasoning will actually penetrate into the pork chop itself, which it gives it that nice good feeling. I'm seasoning, especially when I cook it on a low temperature with the smoke. All right, so I'm going to finish these up, and I'll be right back. Hey, welcome back with Chef Puff. Remember, we always bring you the good stuff, and we are at Camp K. All right, I get it mixed up with Camp C, but it's Camp K in Delaware. All right, beautiful camping excursion that we're doing this weekend. The weather was kind of bad yesterday, but without further ado, all right, the pork chops are done. I cooked these pork chops. I smoked them at a very low temperature at 145 degrees. Okay, I'm using a Synergy probe. All right, which gives me the information what I need for internal cooking. All right, so it's cooked exactly to 145 degrees. But now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to hit it with a little olive oil on the griddle. All right, get my little spatula here, get it here, and I'm going to sear these thick pork chops off. So here we go. Here's the first one here. That's what you're looking for. I want a nice sear on them. All right. All right. As soon as the first side starts to sear, oh, you can actually smell. Oh yeah. Once this the first side sears up, I'm gonna flip them, and I'll be right back. Come back, everybody. All right. What we're doing right now, we're gonna do the second flip right now. All right, see the nice beautiful crust we got on them? Oh, yes indeed. These are gonna be some good groceries, boy. Oh yeah. All right, so as soon as these are done on the second side, I am going to remove them, and we're going to give a little taste. So I shall return. These basically, these pork chops have been seared off. All right, I'm going to start removing them here. Now I have options here. I definitely have options. I could hit them with a sauce, or I can leave them as is. All right, so this is exactly what they look like. So let me set up a plate and let me taste it and see how they taste so I can let you know. So I'll be right back. I'm going to give it a little taste test here. Seems to be it's very moist, very moist. All right. And I definitely taste a little smokiness to it. But that pork perfect seasoning that I use, it has a little kick to it. This is some good groceries right here. Damn it. I done did myself in. And I'm going to share it with my niece. She will not be seen on camera, but she's going to try it. All right. Camera lady.
Thank you.
Would you like to try a piece, sir? Let us know, let the my channel know that if it's delicious or not.
Thumbs up.
All right, I got a 2 thumbs up there from my niece. All right, there we go, and from her son. All right, I got 2 thumbs up. Would you like some more? Yes, would you like some more?
Thank
you. I got it.
This is good. Thank you. And guess what? This is pork chop.
All right, so without further ado, I just want to say thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for watching Cooking with Chef Puff. We always bring you the good stuff. And please give me thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell. God bless you, and y'all guys have a wonderful day. Hey, welcome back with Cooking with Chef Puff. We always bring you the good stuff. All right, we're still here at Camp K. All right, if you watched the video, I made pork chops. Now I'm going to do shrimp skewers here. It's a beautiful day actually today. All right, so but them thick pork chops, the smoked ones, came out delicious. All right, so but what I'm going to do now, I made some shrimp skewers, but I used once again my favorite seasoning. I know it's shrimp, but it's pork perfect. All right, so without further ado, let me get with the cooking here. Get some olive oil down. Everything's on low. Well, you don't need it all the way up to temperature high with shrimp because they cook very quick. All right. All right. Shit. All right. Got that down. So. And there we go. And here we go. Yeah, these smell so good and look so delicious. All right. Got 2 more. Great, and the one got hooked on the hook here. There we go. We got her. All right. A little scoot on over. There we go. We got them all on. All right. I shall be back when I do my first flip with the shrimp. Welcome back, everybody. Okay, welcome back with Cooking with Chef Puff. All right, what I'm gonna use now, I'm gonna use bourbon peach. What is that? Bourbon peach barbecue sauce here. You know, they say it's for wings, but you can put this on basically anything. It's a dipping sauce, but I'm gonna put it on the shrimp itself. All right. Not much, just to give it a little taste. All right. So basically these shrimps are basically done at this time. So I'm going to do one more flip. One more flip. All right. Now I'm going to come back to the first one here and start removing. All right. Now, what we have to do now, do a little taste test here. All right. I can tell you already that it's delicious. That is good. That is the way. That is good. All right. That is, oh my God, that's very delicious. I'm sorry, people. Well, it is good. All right. Once again, but I have to save these two for the camera, my wife, the camera lady. And once again, subscribe, ring the bell, give me thumbs up. And I will see you guys on the next video, Cooking with Chef Pup. And you have a wonderful day.